Indian Forces personnel have arrested 3 youth in the Bandipora district. The personnel of the Indian Army's Rashtriya Rifles and the Central Reserve Police Force during a coordinated search operation arrested Tariq Ahmed, Bilal Ahmed and Mudassir. Experts on the South Asian affairs have reiterated that the Kashmir dispute is not an internal matter of India but a dangerous unresolved conflict with the serious implications for the regional and the global peace, citing the May flare-ups as a stark warning of the growing risk of the nuclear confrontation between India and Pakistan. Experts cautioned that the continued global inaction on the Kashmir dispute could result in catastrophic consequences. UN Security Council has adopted Pakistan-sponsored resolution on strengthening the mechanisms for the peaceful settlement of the disputes. The adoption of the resolution in the Security Council session presided over by the Deputy Prime Minister, the Foreign Minister Mohammad Ishaq Dar, is a noteworthy development. Vehicular movement on the Srinagar-Jammu highway was suspended following the flash floods and the mudslide in the Ramban district. The traffic was halted after a flash flood and mudslide occurred near the T2 canopy in the Magarkot area of the district, the traffic official said. Democratic Freedom Party has voiced deep concern over the grim political and the human rights situation in occupied Kashmir, particularly the deploring plight of the Kashmiri prisoners languishing in the jails within and outside the occupied territory. DFP spokesman Advocate Arshad Iqbal, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said India continues to use violence as a tool of war to crush the Kashmiri people's legitimate struggle for the UN-mandated right to self-determination. Indian National Congress Occupied Kashmir chapter held demonstration at New Delhi's Jantar Mantar to press for the restoration of the statehood of the territory and the inclusion of Ladakh under the 6th schedule. Around 500 Congress workers and the leaders from the occupied Kashmir travelled to the Indian capital by bus to press for their demands. Members of the Kashmir civil society have rejected the post-August 2019 illegal actions, saying that they just want Jammu and Kashmir to be the same as it was on 4th August 2019. After a meeting in Srinagar, the civil society members, talking to the media, rejected the brutal measures taken by the India's BJP government after August 2019.